from the mountain are calling soft to me. The smell of scented heather brings bitter memories. The wild and lonely eagle up in the summer sky lies high o'er Shanagolden, where my own Willie lies. Do you remember, darling, we walked the moonlit road? I held you in my arms, love, I never let you go. Our hands, they were entwined, my love, all in the pale moonlight by the fields of Shanagolden on a lonely winter's night. Then came the call to Ireland, love, and the hills, they were aflame. Down from the silent mountains, the Saxon strangers came. I held you in my arms, love, my young heart wild with fear, near the fields of Shanagolden in the springtime of the year. But that was long ago, my love, and our sons grow fine and tall. The